Yeah, it's that time again. Dude, why are you so loud? Probably because you're in the house by yourself. What's going on? We're back with another video. Nah, I should probably redo that intro, but I'm probably not. What the heck? Oh yeah, I hit my head on the truck. I was actually working on the truck not too long ago, and I finally got my super late back order from a big box company. I mean, big shout out to Summit. You know, they were the ones that come through with the wheels, even though this video is not sponsored, by the way. Clear as day on the advertisement. So I can't bash the company. Clear as day on the advertisement. Probably will get your wheels in about a month, 2 months. If you don't get it by then, we'll just give you your money back. I mean, if you're upfront about that and customer service is excellent, you really can't badmouth the company. But anyway, we finally have the wheels in for the LS Blazer. They look phenomenal. So like I said, I was working on the truck earlier and I stopped at a local tire shop basically to get a hookup. And I was like, hey, look, I'm looking for, you know, a certain size tire. That's basically what I was doing because I wanted to get I knew they were not going to have rear tires for this, which kind of worked out because I at least wanted to put like a Nitto or, you know, RRR or something like that on the back. And I'm probably going to have to order that. Hopefully I'll get the rear tires in a timely fashion. But I guess let me show you guys the tires first, because if I show you the wheels first, you're going to see the wheels and you're going to click off the video. If I prolong the video, you guys will stay and my CPM, YouTube analytics or whatever will go up. Guys, don't forget, we still got merch in the merch store. Merch has been moving off the shelves kind of slow, and I really can't blame anybody but me because I haven't been posting videos and putting the channel out there and putting the truck out there and stuff like that. So that's all on me. I think February we sold like 3 hoodies. March we sold 2 hoodies. So we're still selling merch, but it's race car season. Dude, stop rambling on like how you normally do and start showing the product. And there you have it. I'm actually kind of out of breath because, let me throw that label away. I'm actually kind of out of breath. Hey, get off my trash. That's mine. I'm actually out of breath because when I walked over here, doorbell rang, UPS was there. They was like, yo, we got something for you. Cool. It is the passenger side fender for the truck. So I went and got basically a brand new fender because I wanted to cut the exhaust hole a little bit snugger, basically because you guys already seen what we did, because we knew we were going to get rid of that fender anyway. We kind of just basically butchered it, cut a hole in it, and now we got brand new. I did not get the driver's side yet. For some odd reason, the driver's side fender with shipping is like $250. I got this one fender for $100 and shipping, which is like, I don't understand it. Like, are people like just smashing up the driver's side fenders on their OBSs? But anyway, I have the front tires here for the 15x7s, 15x8s that I have in the front. I just wanted to run like a smaller tire. I got a good deal on these. These are basically Starfire all-season tires. So you guys seeing, we are going to be running a 215 70/15 in the front. That's pretty much the measurement that I thought was going to be okay to run. So it might be a little bit of a tire stretch, but we'll probably see how that works out. All right, on to the wheels. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Are you guys ready for months of waiting? What the? Nah, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. People are probably going to be like, dude, are you serious? How did you not know by that super light ass box you probably picked up? Yes, I know. It's upside down. So basically, I went with the Pro Comp wheels. You guys can basically see we got a 6 lug and a 5.5. It's finished. Ooh, wait, this is the date? 05. Are you kidding me? The date literally says it was manufactured on the 5th month. Oh yeah, last year, duh. Dude, I'm such a freaking scatterbrain. Anyway, but I have the Pro Comp Series 1069s, 15 by 8s in the front. So that's basically what we're looking like right here. It's kind of like an old style type of truck wheel. All right, look. Actually, I'm running kind of late, so I took out the front wheels. The front wheels are in the box right here. I took them out. I loaded them up in the truck because I'm probably going to take them over to my buddy's house, probably get the tires mounted and stuff like that. So, you know, it's going to be a whole lot of running around. I got the rest of the stuff right here, so let me show you guys. At least let me show you guys what the pattern is going to look like. Yeah, ooh yeah, KC, JoJo, oh yeah, damn. Those are some delicious dishes, man. So, like I said, 6-lug, 8-bolt circle thingy. You guys know what I'm talking about. For some odd reason, like trucks always have like this type of pattern of wheel on it. If you guys look, these are aluminum wheels. They are like super light, no bead locks. Probably once we actually crack like 1200 horsepower, and we'll probably get some bead locks on this bad boy. But yes, these are the rears, by the way, 15 by 10. Phenomenal, like absolutely friggin' phenomenal. I love it. Ah, you nasty cat. Jeez. Dude, you just like packed all the boxes upside down, which is kind of weird because it's like the boxes are upside down, but the wheels were like facing up. That's weird. So here we go for the people who can't read upside down. What? Made in Thailand, Jeep and Wrangler are registered trademarks of Chrysler. These are Chrysler wheels? Huh, go figure. But anyway, guys, these are the spec. Yes, you nasty cat. Everyone saw your crap pan. So anyway, guys, these the rears, the specs on the rear, because I know a lot of people are going to be asking in the comments, oh dude, what size wheels are you running, and do they fit, and back spacing and clearance and everything like that. So you can see 15 by 10 in the rear, 6 lugs, 5.5 pattern, with a negative 47mm offset with a hub bore of 108. Not like the hub bore really matters, but probably, I guess, in case I was probably going to go with I don't think I can fit the 14-volt GM rear on this thing. I don't think I can. I do have a hookup on getting Bill's is running. I do have a hookup on getting a GM14 semi-floater rear, and I was probably thinking about putting that on the truck. I don't think it would actually clear the hub circle on the wheels, because that kind of like would just be a waste of money. You finally get some wheels, you order them, you wait for them, you finally get them, you change everything up, and then you can't use the wheels anymore. So that's kind of like defeating a lot of productivity of money. I don't know, something like that. But anyway, guys, we finally got the wheels. We got tires, we got a fender. Parts are rolling in now. Thank God for race car season. I guess everyone is going back to work. I guess COVID is like really dying down and stuff like that, and people want to get out. I mean, like it's springtime now. So I guess that's going to wrap up today's video. I'm going to try to crank out a video tomorrow too. Something small, but at least want to like start getting the videos going and stuff like that, because you guys know I don't have a garage. I basically work outside in a gravel driveway with some of these builds, and it should be no excuse why I can't crank out videos and stuff like that. Anything else I want to talk about? Don't look at me, goofy cat. We got the wheels, we got the fender, we got the tires. I guess next thing we got to do is get everything mounted and put on. We're not going to do that in today's video because, like I said, I got a lot of errands and stuff I got to do. And I guess that's basically it. And we're going to wrap up today's video. Guess I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like button. What am I supposed to say? Like, comment, share, subscribe, buy merch. And we're actually working up a new t-shirt design too. That's going to be really, really cool. All the links will be down below. And I guess I will catch you guys later. Peace. I'm out.